Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to explore the COD Form application by COD Rocket and learn step-by-step how to set it up and use it inside your Shopify store. Installing the app first. In your Shopify admin, go to the Apps section and search for COD Rocket. You'll see it listed in your Shopify apps. Click on it, then click Install. Activating the app. Once installed, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here, you can activate the application for your store. If you're not ready yet, you can leave it inactive and come back later to enable it. Building your form. Now let's create the form using the form builder. You have two options. Pop-up form. Appears when the customer clicks the Buy Now button. Embedded form. Displayed directly inside the product page. You can fully customize the Buy button. Change the text. Choose animation style. Adjust weight, colors, background, font size, and more. Everything can be styled to match your brand. Customizing form fields. The form comes with default elements, but you can add more fields as needed. Show or hide icons. Make fields required. Write custom error messages. In the shipping section, you can edit shipping options, add, delete, rename, or change prices. Save to apply changes automatically. Advanced customization. Add a confirm order button if you want an extra step before submission. Adjust font styles, sizes, and colors. Set form radius for rounded corners. Switch languages, e.g., Arabic, and the form elements are auto-translated. Align text, top or center. Don't forget to click Save after each modification. Bundles and packs. With COD Rocket, you can also create bundles or custom boxes. For example, a perfume pack with 3 products, a clothing box with a t-shirt, jeans, and shoes. Customers can choose the options they want: size, color, brand, etc. When creating a bundle, you can add title and subtitle with custom color, alignment, and style. Define the number of options. Set minimum/required selections. Customize error messages. Once ready, click Apply and then Save. Enabling the form. Remember, building the form does not make it appear on your store yet. To enable it, go to Settings. Turn on Enable Form. Click Save. Refresh your page, and the form will now appear in your store. Product and preview. Add your product. Set the price. Disable quantity tracking if needed. And click Save. Then click Preview to see your product page with the COD form live. Analytics. The Analytics section helps you track performance. Orders received, date filters. Average order value, total sales settings. In settings, you control where and how the form appears. Only on product pages, only on cart page, or both. Decide what happens when the buy button is clicked. Choose if all cart products are included or just the selected one. You can also hide the default buy button and only use the form. Decide which products show the form, all, selected, or excluded. Add the COD Form tab automatically. Keep orders in draft until verified. Add post-purchase redirects, e.g. to a thank you page. Add a WhatsApp confirmation step with your phone number and custom message. Shipping set delivery rules easily. For example, orders under $299. Delivery equals 30 orders above 300, free delivery. Or set custom rules based on order value or currency. Dashboard and plans. In your dashboard, you'll see your profile current plan, upgrade anytime, orders usage and remaining quota, total sales. From here, you can also access analytics and, if needed, upgrade to monthly or yearly plans. Support. Finally, if you ever need help, you can contact our support team directly from inside the app via live chat. We'll be happy to assist you anytime with installing or using your app.